How to verify company on Indeed.com. Because if you don't verify it, guys, this is what's going to happen. They will pause access to your employer account. Mine has already been paused, and the job posting I had made has already been removed as well. It is under hold. Okay. So what you need to do basically is go to your home page, and basically they'll say that your account is under rejection, or it has basically been disabled. So this is what you do, guys. You come here, say what you do exactly. What are you? Are you a recruiter? Are you a business? Are you hiring on behalf of another employer? Choose that, and then come here. You need to enter your full information, your full name, your business email address, your business name, business phone number, and whether you have a website or social media page. This will really help if you have, especially a branded social media page, your location. Now, this is the most important part, guys. You need to upload some verification documents. For example, your business license, your tax permit, right? Your article of incorporation. If you have a company liability insurance, you can upload them as a PDF, PNG, a JPEG. Scan your file here, or you can just come and drag and drop. And if you have any additional information you want to give, you can give it right here. Then go ahead and click on save and continue. And what's going to happen is Indeed will review this, and within 24 hours, they will go ahead and verify your company, and you'll have full access to Indeed. As that really is simple.